Welcome. In this video, I will show you how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks. So follow the easy steps that I will mention, and now let's get into it. Now, the first thing that, paste in the link that I left you in the description below, it will take you to the official article of prizepicks.com. And here, as you can see, this is the most updated one, May 29, 2024. And it says, how do I withdraw money funds? You can request a withdrawal to any bank account, PayPal account, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. To request a withdrawal, navigate to the menu located in the top left corner of the Prizepicks app. If you are accessing your account on a browser, the menu is in the top right corner. From here, you can select Request Withdrawal. You will receive a one-time password code by email as soon as you request your withdrawal. No further action is needed on your part. We'll send you an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. Also, here you see an extra note of why would a withdrawal request fail. Inaccurate bank account information can also cause withdrawal requests to fail. If this happens, your fund will be returned to your credit fund's balance, and you will be able to create a new withdrawal. Withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method that you previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. And Apple Pay and credit cards may only be used for deposits, not withdrawals. Withdrawals have a minimum amount of $10. Any smaller request will fail. Also, only one withdrawal request is permitted during the 24-hour time frame. And this is basically all the information that you'll need to know, and it's all, you can find it all in the Prizepicks official article. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful. See you next time.